Major travel changes for 2025, what you must know before flying. Starting in May 2025, global travel rules are changing, impacting everyone from first-time flyers to seasoned travelers. These changes affect IDs, passports, security, baggage, and even family seating. Here's a streamlined guide to staying prepared and avoiding travel headaches. Your old driver's license will no longer be accepted for domestic air travel in the US. You'll need a real ID-compliant license, marked by a star in the corner or another approved document like a valid passport, global entry card, or veteran health ID. Check your state DMV website for specific requirements. Bring documents like a birth certificate, proof of residency, and social security card. Processing can take 2 to 4 weeks. Book appointments early. Consider getting a passport as a backup. Some states offer digital real IDs. Check availability. Online passport renewals promise faster service, but only if you meet strict conditions. Be 25 plus years old with a regular passport, 9 to 15 years old. The system invalidates your old passport upon applying, and processing takes 8 to 10 weeks. Photos must be recent, professional, and meet strict guidelines. No selfies. Expedited service isn't available. Save digital copies of your passport and tracking information. From mid-2025, Americans will need ETS approval to visit Europe. Fee is $7.50, valid for 3 years, covering 27 EU countries plus Iceland, Norway, and Switzerland. Apply before booking travel. Approval may take minutes or up to 14 days. ETS links electronically to your passport. Double-check passport information to avoid delays. Children and seniors over 70 need approval but are fee-exempt. The planned relaxation of liquid rules in Europe has been cancelled. The 100mm, 3.4 ounce limit per container remains. Packing tips: use clear quart-sized bags for all liquids. Keep prescriptions in original packaging with a doctor's note. Consider solid toiletries to save space. European airlines vary in carry-on size restrictions, with many now capping bags at 21 inches or less. Smart packing: measure bags, including wheels and handles. Use a luggage scale to check weight. No airline-specific rules before flying. Keep a squishable backup bag for flexibility. Children under 13 must sit with a parent, even on basic economy tickets, without extra fees. Book early and check seating maps. Use online check-in 24 hours before departure. Save seat assignments and confirmations. Report violations to the airline. Airlines must refund passengers for delays over 3 hours and for lost baggage fees within 12 hours. Save delay notifications and boarding passes. Check your credit card's travel benefits for extra protection. Start refund claims as soon as problems arise. New self-service security lanes with 3D scanners debut in Las Vegas for TSA pre-check travelers, with broader rollouts planned. What's changing? Laptops and liquids can stay in bags with advanced scanners. Face recognition expands for faster boarding. International security checks may be reduced for some connecting flights. Additional changes to watch for: digital IDs. Mobile driver's licenses and passports are gaining traction. Biometric boarding. Wider adoption of facial recognition for check-ins and boarding. Sustainability fees. Many airlines are adding carbon offset charges. Stay informed about the latest rules by checking government and airline websites. Download travel apps for real-time updates and paperless boarding. Always plan for extra processing time during peak travel seasons. Travel is evolving quickly. These updates ensure a smoother, more prepared journey. Safe travels!